Hey everyone, my name is Singh and welcome to the channel Developer Geeks. In this video, we will see how you can create a pattern which is actually very famous in asking interviews or any other, IT field. This question is famously called as the diamond pattern, right? In which you can see in the screen that this is the pattern that we have to make, which is basically the combination of previous two videos. If you see clearly, this is the upper half of the triangle that we have made in the fifth video, and this is the lower half, right, which is the sixth video basically. So in this video what we will do is that we will combine those two patterns to make this pattern possible. Now let's if you still are not clear, then you can definitely check those video in the description, or you can check in the I button which is popping in the screen right now. Now let's try the approach. In the beginning we will take an integer n, let's say 6, which will be responsible for the number of lines. Then for n I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus is the basic one. Now this outer for loop is responsible for jumping to the next line, and this j less than n, j plus plus, and this j loop will be responsible for printing this space, right? This space, the upper space, let's say for now. Okay, now this upper space, you can see here it is printing for the maximum numbers, and while incrementing it is decreasing, right? So the logic should be j is less than n minus I, because it is decreasing after every time, and we will print space here. Yeah, and then after for n k equal to 0, k is less than n, let's say n now, then after k plus plus. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to increase the number of stars after every line. So k is less than equal to I basically. Yeah, and then after cout star, and then cout and l. Now let's try to print. Okay, we forgot to try one more here. It is one mistake for n I equal to 0, n minus, okay, k minus 1. Actually the number of space is not printing. N minus I, yeah. Okay, we have to write j equal to 0. Yeah, we have forgotten that part. Yeah, super. You can see it is printing the upper part of the triangle, right? Yeah, or we can say the diamond. Now what we will do is that we will print for the lower half. We'll start a for loop, let's say for int I equal to 0, and guys, there is a I which is initialized in this part, and we are also initializing another I in this part. So is this an error? If it is, then why? You can comment down, and if it's not, then also why. Okay, and then I is less than n, I plus plus, then for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus, cout space. Yeah, now this is since in the second half of the triangle, what will happen is that we will have a space here, so the space will increase after every single time. So here we have to change the condition to j is less than equal to I, and then after cout another space, and then for int k equal to 0, and then k is less than n minus I, and this k is responsible for printing the stars. Yeah, and then k plus plus, superb, and then see out stop, see out stop. Yeah. And after that, see out handle to end the line. Okay, now let's try to print. I hope the code is correct. Superb, it is correct, but there is one change that you have to do. You can see this triangle is in the last line of the upper triangle. It is printing till 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 stars, right? And for the next also there are 6 stars. So what we have to do, we have to decrease the number of n by 1 so that it aligns itself. You can see it is perfectly aligning itself, and we have successfully made a diamond, guys. This is a very short code of around 33 lines if we include the header files too. And this code is basically will definitely going to help you to approach, will help you to find the approach for multiple patterns. And guys, if you find this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Developer Geeks. Thank you.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।
रुको जरा, सबर करो, बोला धक्का मुक्की नहीं।